Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about why you're losing sales with high prices on Amazon. Let's get into it. When it comes to pricing on Amazon, a lot of sellers make the mistake of setting their price too high right from the start. They assume that if their product is high quality, people will pay for it. But the reality is that on Amazon, shoppers don't know how great your product is until they actually buy it. Unlike a physical store where customers can touch and feel the product, on Amazon, the first impression is based on the price, images, and reviews. A lower price at launch isn't about undervaluing your product. It's about making it easy for customers to take a chance on your product, especially when you have no sales history. Amazon's algorithm rewards sales velocity, meaning the more units you sell, the more visibility your product gains. If you start with a high price, you risk slow sales, low rankings, and even higher ad costs because your conversion rate will suffer. A strategic pricing approach for launch could look something like this. Start at a lower price, maybe 50% off in the first week, then gradually increase it over the next 8 weeks. This method builds momentum, improves rankings, and establishes your brand as a trusted choice for customers. Many top sellers on Amazon use this strategy. If you check the pricing history of some of the best-selling products, you'll often see that they started at a lower price, then gradually increased it over time. It's not about having a static price, it's about adjusting to the market. If your product starts losing visibility or your bestseller ranking, you can lower the price again to regain momentum. Customers are not tracking your pricing history. Most shoppers compare prices against competitors, not against your past prices. That means you have flexibility. You can launch at a lower price, increase it as you gain sales, and adjust when necessary without worrying about customers expecting a permanent discount. If you want to succeed on Amazon, think of your pricing as a tool, not a fixed number. Strategic pricing helps you gain traction, boost conversions, and position your product for long-term success. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.